Hey, thanks for meeting with me today. I have a rental that I need help managing, all right? I've done it myself for a while, but I'm really sick of it.
You're not alone. Let's talk about the property and what you're looking for. Then I'll walk you through how we handle things at Masterful. Tell me a little bit about the property. Where is it? What condition is it in? And are there tenants?
It's in Summerlin. It's about 2,000 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom house. I mean, it's updated pretty good. My last tenant's just moved out, so it's vacant, but there is minor repairs that need to be done, and I really don't want to have to screen any more applicants or anything like that.
Got it. Our first step is to get the home rent ready. Then we'll handle marketing, screening, leasing, and full tenant management.
Okay, cool. Can you tell me a little more about that detail?
Once a property management agreement is signed, here's what we'll take off of your plate. We'll handle the listing and showings, screen all applicants, write and execute the lease, collect rent, coordinate repairs, complete inspections, and handle all tenant communications.
Okay, so I don't have to deal with any tenants then, right?
You can be as hands-on or hands-off as you want. For applicants, we follow all fair housing laws and strict screening, including credit checks, background checks, income verification, and rental history. For minor repairs, we'll make the best judgment call. For any major repairs, we'll discuss options with you unless it's an emergency.
So when do I get paid every month?
Rent is due on the 1st of the month, so we start paying owners on the 10th of the month. You'll get a detailed statement on your rental portal each month.
What if the tenant doesn't pay rent?
We follow a strict late payment policy, and we'll start the eviction process if needed. For more information on that, click over here. We just did a full video on that.
Sounds like you got it all covered. What's the next step?
The next step is to sign a property management agreement authorizing us to manage your property, do an in-person assessment of the property, and you're good to go.
Oh, that sounds great. I wish I would have found you sooner.
I hear that all the time. If you're ready to take property management off your plate, reach out. We'd be happy to walk you through it. Be sure to check out our website, send us a text or email to get in contact with us, and thank you for watching.